everyone, welcome to Architect 24/7. Today's video is about how to set up a home office for remote work. So here I'm going to explain 15 points which you can follow for a good home office setup. To know in details, let's get into the video. 1. Make sure you have a dedicated space. For that, you can convert a guest room, or if you don't have a guest room for home office setup, try to find a niche space that you can use for home office setup. 2. Good natural lighting. Make sure your dedicated space has good natural light because the natural light can make your work environment more comfortable and help you to stay focused for long hours. 3. Neat background. You never know when you would have to get on a quick video call with your colleague or a client. It's preferable to keep your background as a wall so others on the call don't end up seeing your private space even by mistake. 4. Ergonomic seating. Short-term solutions like sitting on a sofa or using your dining chairs to work can end up being very bad for your back and spine because they don't encourage an upright posture. So invest in good ergonomic chair that offers lumbar support for your lower back and lets you adjust the arm height and chair height. 5. Desk. If you're usually bound to your desk for more than 7 to 8 hours a day, then the seated position is not healthy and there are chances that you might be getting diseases like heart problems, diabetes and also gaining weight, especially if you're working for longer hours. To avoid this, you can go for standing desk. 6. Clutter-free desk. More items on your desk, easier it will be for you to get distracted. So make sure your desk has drawers so that you can keep the actual desk surface clean while moving the all unnecessary items into your drawers. 7. Whiteboard and sticky notes. Keep whiteboards and sticky notes in your dedicated workspace because it can give you a way to brainstorm ideas, write outlines and conceptualize your goal, which can directly lead to boost in your productivity. 8. Indoor plants. Keeping indoor plants near your desk can filter the air and can brighten up your space. They can also help you manage your stress and refocus your energy back to the work. In fact, studies have found that having plants in the workspace can increase the productivity by over 15%. 9. Fitness during work breaks. The seated position isn't healthy, especially if you are putting in longer hours. So you can get your fitness gear by dumbbells and bike desks that you can use right at home during your work breaks. 10. Keep inspiration nearby. Whether it is a picture of your family's mementos from your last trip or a few motivational quotes that you like to stick to, you can keep them around your workspace to stay motivated all throughout the day. 11. Make sure you have a good internet service. 12. Good quality headphones. In conference call or at one-on-one meetings require a good headphone. Otherwise, you will be repeating yourself a lot. So good headphones are required that allow you to take sensitive calls and block out external noise. 13. Water bottle. Make sure you have a water bottle at your desk and stay hydrated. 14. Notepad and pen. Because you always need to write something down, make sure you have notepad and pen. 15. Desk lamp. You might need a desk lamp if you're working through the night. Soft light is better because this helps release stress and you can work effectively and efficiently. And also place the lamp in such a way that it does not cause glare on your monitor. So these are the 15 points which you can follow for a good home office setup. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you find this video informative, share it with others and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.